Hello once again, and I'm Kathleen, and I'm here to teach you how to reverse money transferred on Palmpay. Now, you've made a transfer, and for one reason or another, you want to reverse it or have your money refunded to your Palmpay account. Now, how do you do that? You contact the customer service, then you click on these three buttons over here. You go for live chat for faster reply. And then you, as you can see, I've already typed in the question. You type in, I want to reverse a transfer. I want to reverse a transfer. And then you get a response almost immediately. You can see they said, sorry, we can solve your problem. Because we're sorry to hear that, we highly recommend you contact the person that has the account and they will resolve the issue. You see, the fact of the matter is that all responsibilities lie with the sender, which is you. Palmpay is not responsible for this. So if you transfer to a merchant, you have to contact the merchant so that you made it wrong transfer. You want to have your money refunded. Now, if you transfer to a normal Palmpay user, regular customer, then you have to contact the owner of the account. You see, the fact of the matter is Palmpay cannot reverse or refund you for a transaction because the responsibility is with you and not Palmpay. Sorry.